Yo, 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 what's going on, guys and girls? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video, I'm going to be speaking about how you can use your vision to manifest. So, when it comes to manifesting, we hear people say you become what you think about, or you become what you focus on. And a lot of your focus and concentration comes through visions. What are you visualizing? What are your two eyes seeing? And your third eye, okay? What are you receptive to? Because your eyes is one of the most powerful portals of manifestation. I've told people how to manifest through creative visualization and the power of symbols. We know that you can look at vision boards to bring things forthright. But what about when we're not doing our meditations? What are our eyes focusing on then? Because if we are focusing on Instagram, what other people are doing, the current news, media outlets, this is taking our eyes away from the goal. Our eyes are away from the prize. This is why companies pay millions just to drop a 5 to 15-second advertisement on TV, on YouTube, on other platforms. Companies pay thousands. You can even say, why does Coca-Cola still pay for ads? Everybody knows about them. Yeah, because it's the subconscious realm. It never stops. They have to plant this image in your mind because the subconscious mind is very intelligent. It's more conscious than your conscious mind. You could be driving on the way home, see McDonald's, think nothing of it, but now you're hungry. This is how powerful imagery is. When we talk about the eyes, it's receptive to the spectrum of light. The color red grabs all attention. The color red is associated to life force. When we bleed red. This is subconscious, you know? So this is why a lot of restaurants, fast food restaurants, they're either red, yellow, orange. Then you have healthier foods, the color green. Look at Subway even. Subway is not healthy, but when it first came on the scene, it was perceived as healthy. Subway, the color green. Vegan restaurants, the color green. So our minds consciously, subconsciously knows that certain colors associate to certain energy signatures. And when it comes to manifesting, we need to be observant of what we see in our reality. So the most critical thing is to remove obstacles, remove distractions from our eyesight. You know, there's platforms out there that do like pop-up blocks. So you can block yourself from seeing Facebook for 3 hours a day, 5 hours a day, or Instagram. You can put a limit on that, 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day. And then you can get another application like Toggle that tracks how much hours you spend on any given task. And this can help you know how many hours you're putting in to actually manifesting your goal and how many hours you're using for play. There's something called the 80-20 rule, Pareto's law, which is that things come into this reality usually by this division of 80-20, 70-30. So 80% of the time you should be spending that manifesting, 20% of the time it should be for leisure. And then sometimes when you're trying to be a magician, you have to reverse that polarity. 20% is for actually manifesting 80% of leisure. But for the most part, if you're in the red zone of your manifestation and you're far away from your goal, 80% of that time is going to be needed to bring that forthright, okay? So with that kind of ratio given to you subconsciously, you know that most of your time and effort needs to be spent on this given attention, because attention is what everybody wants from you, because they know how powerful it is. Your attention doesn't come with a price, it's priceless, because it has the ability to create infinite possibilities. But if you take back your power and put your attention and focus on your actual goals, you'll see that your goals will start to shape and create life forms. Because all manifestations start within the mind. This is why people say if you can visualize your manifestations with your eyes closed, it can be forthright in this realm, okay? So your attention is vital. What you see is vital. You can use symbols, because when we write what we want, that's logical. And the logical mind is very much bound to consciousness. But if you actually start drawing symbols and sigils, it can help bring your things in faster. Sigils and symbols and utilizing colors, stuff like that, is subjective. And as long as you put your intention behind the symbolism, it now shapes and forms in the astral realm, in the physical realm, in the mental realm. Because everything comes down to your attention and intention. The more intention there is behind what you visualize, the higher it vibrates. Vibration creates an echo. This vibration now creates a field. The stronger the electromagnetic field, the more powerful it is, which then has to make itself physical and come here in this physical plane. I hope you get where I'm going with this. Okay, so you need to focus on what you need to be doing, and with the statistics I've given you today, like the 80-20 rule, the 70-20 rule, 70-30 rule, if you want to be very logical with your manifestations, you know, you can bring out the time apps, because that will help you know how much time is being spent and invested into your goals and manifestations, okay? Just like at work, we have certain schedules, a certain set amount of hours we have to go into work, for example. This is the amount of time you need to be spending on your goals. Obviously, I'm an entrepreneur, so I need to be very conscious of my time that is being spent on manifesting, okay? So this is it. Structure is key. And once you have everything structured, nothing becomes wayward and maybe it can come, maybe it cannot come. No, if you put the time in and the work in, the numbers won't lie and things will come in due time, okay? If you like this video, you know what to do. Press like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're in help with anything to do with your manifestations, contact me for consultations, okay? Peace.